Hello everyone, this is Divi website, and today I want to show you how to create the smooth scale animation for background image, just like we have here with Divi. But this method will work for any websites, for any code. You just need a bit different ways to apply CSS. Okay, so you see image is scaling, like it's floating forward to you. Okay, so how I achieved it? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, of course, and click like. Okay, so first you need to apply the CSS, to add CSS to your parent section, like I did here. I added CSS class hero. Great. Now we can go back and click on the gear, advanced, and custom CSS to add custom CSS. So now we need to create our custom animation for background image. Actually, not for background image, it's for all. Okay, so doesn't matter. Just create custom animation. Keyframes, zoom in when 0%, it's start position, background size 100%, when end 100%, it's start position, it's end position, background size 110%. So now let's launch our animation. We call a class hero and write animation, zoom in 30% and infinity, 30 seconds its duration, and infinity, so it works infinity. Animation film mode forwards. If you want, you can change this background size to this, but it's too big to me, or you can change duration like to 10 seconds, it will be faster. It doesn't work for me too. I like this. Okay, so hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, and I have other tutorials on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.